Hey guys, how's it going? Here's an update on the new engine. It's actually running pretty good. 1000 RPM idle. Has a chuckle to it. I believe that's mostly due to porting. Decent oil pressure, decent temps so far. E-fan cycles on, only drops maybe 500 RPM. Other than that, it's running pretty good. It does that, but it runs. Not too bad for, I'll say, a $300 motor, because when I finally added up the price for the seats of what I sold the other two and what I paid for the first two pairs, I had about $250 plus $100 into the engine, so I'm $350 into this motor. Seems to be running pretty good though. Had a problem with the E-fan. The wire right here somehow lost connection, so I had to just tap in a new wire to the relay. Seems to work. I was hoping I didn't lose the E-fan. I didn't. And there's old S5. Right around 30 psi of fuel pressure at idle. Pretty good. 30, 32. Sounds pretty good.